Hello everyone, I'm Ellie Kong from 7YJ. Today I'll be talking about my poster of SDG number 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. I made this product report on the dates of October 27th to 29th, 2025. The background of the Sustainable Development Goals are the 17 objectives established by the United Nations in 2015 to address social, economic, and environmental changes by 2030. Among them, SDG number 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, focuses on reducing waste, promoting sustainable resource use, and encouraging ethical choices, covering areas like sustainable fashions, recyclable packaging, and mindful purchasing. How familiar are you with SDG number 12? Here are my survey responses and the choices. A, very familiar. I know its key objective. B, somewhat familiar. I've heard of it but don't know the details. C is the lapsed option, which is not familiar at all. The awareness of SDG number 12 is widespread but superficial. 82% of respondents are somewhat familiar with SDG number 12, yet only 12% are very familiar with its key objective. Additionally, 24% are confused with SDG number 12's goals with unrelated areas. For example, eradicating global poverty, indicating a need for more targeted education to deepen understanding. For the second question, do you agree that fast fashion contributes significantly to waste and environmental harm? Here are the survey response choices. A, strongly agree. B, agree. C, disagree. And D, strongly disagree. Attitudes towards fast fashion's impact are largely positive, aligned with SDG number 12. 82% agree or strongly agree that fast fashion harms the environment, with only one respondent that spreads disagrees. This shows most participants recognize a key sustainability issue, laying a good foundation for behavior change. For the last question that I'm presenting is question 3. How often do you reuse items? For example, water bottles, shopping bags, old clothes, and more, instead of throwing them away. For the choices, we have A, every day, B, several times a week, C, occasionally, once or a week or less, D, never. Sustainable behaviors tag behind positive attitudes. Only 41% reuse items every day, while 30% do so occasionally or never. This gap between awareness, for example, recognizing fast fashion's harm, and actions, for example, consistent reuse, suggests practical interventions like school reuse campaigns are needed to align behavior with SDG number 12's goals. And this is the summary of my SDG number 12 Responsible Consumption and Production Survey Reports. I hope you liked the presentation. Bye!